So here we are with the 12 Days of Beauty from Forever 21. How much would you pay for this calendar? Originally, it was $35. Let's see if it's worth it. Day 1 has nail decals. They're cute and they're sparkly. Seriously? Tweezers? They are functional, but this is an advent calendar. I want fun. I don't want functional. Day 3 is a shimmery lip oil. This is cute. A nice peachy rosy gold color. That's cute. Obviously a deluxe sample size. Day 4 is a shimmer lipstick. Help me out here, Fatima. And there is some shimmer, at least that I can see. I don't know what's showing up on camera. Cute, but a decent amount. Day 5 is a neutral lip gloss. And again, it's functional and it's cute. I will give it to it because it is cute. Day 6 is a volumizing mascara. As you can see, these are deluxe sample sizes, not full size, I guess with the exception of the tweezers. So we are halfway through this calendar. What do you think so far? Would you pay $35 for this? What's your favorite item so far? Comment down below. And now, moving right along with this video, Day 7 gives us a liquid eyeliner, which thus goes with the mascara that we received. Day 8 gives us a brush, and it is labeled eyeshadow brush. Bristles feel nice and soft. There's a good firmness to it, so it's a decent brush. It's a little lightweight, but not bad. Day 9 gives us a makeup sponge. And I'm looking closely here. These markings on the sponge, I don't think that those are a brand. I think that's just because this poor sponge has been squished up for some time. The sponge itself still feels a good, firm, squishable texture. It's just obviously had a hard life. Day 10, we get eyeshadows in a neutral color, but there is a little bit of sparkle in there, I think. A good neutral color, considering this is a mystery box. A good neutral color. Personally, we would have preferred to have something with a little bit more shimmer, but that's the way it goes. Day 11 has false eyelashes, but no glue for them. I do, though, see a reason for the tweezers at the beginning of the box. They will be helpful in applying the false eyelashes. They might also be helpful in applying those nail decals. They could have put in a little bit of eyelash glue. Yep. And then for the big surprise at the end, day 12, we get a clear lip oil. Personally, I don't mind getting a lip oil. I don't mind getting 2 of them because that's what we got in these 12 days. But I would have put this at the beginning and then put that shimmery lip oil here at the end as the festive build-up big surprise. So in case anyone was wondering, this Forever 21 calendar was originally $35. We got it on sale for $12. And I have a feeling that this might actually be a 2022 calendar, because we never saw one produced for 2023. The apparent value of this calendar is $45. And I don't know, I kind of beg to differ with them on that one. I really don't think this is worth $45 in value, especially for the poor people that had to pay the full price of $35. That's really not much of a return on the investment, and I'm not sure it's even worth $35. I'm glad we got it for $16. Me too. For $16, I would say a decent 12-day calendar. Yes, it is more for the younger generation. I am of a much older generation, yet I will still use some of these items. It just reminds me of a certain other calendar. We're not naming names. One thing I will note is that when we took the $16 and divided it up, we came up with a price of $1.33 per day. So that's not bad. If you ask me, would you pay $1.33 for that lip oil? Yeah, I'd pay $1.33 for that lip oil. Anyway, that was this calendar. Stick around, like, comment, subscribe to our channel. We have more calendars coming. Oh yes, we have more calendars coming. Happy holidays!